Director has posted another video that he recorded in court. The quality of the recording is lousy. However, I think we get to see what a bully a Director is, and also an idiot. He is a fine example of a man who can read but doesn't understand. Let's get into some of the video.
Mr. Shell has filed a motion to withdraw on all four of these matters.
I'll just summarise. The judge just stated that Direct's attorney has filed a motion to withdraw. This is actually the third attorney that has filed a motion to withdraw. I am unsure how Direct D qualifies to receive financial help with an attorney, but I do understand that the judge, in the absence of Direct D coughing up his own money, had made provision for this third attorney to be appointed on the public purse.
And I note that he mentions that there's a conflict of interest. All four of these matters are obviously in the appeal phase of adjudicated.
I'll jump forward to where the judge is talking about his current counsel.
And Mr. Ruff had submitted a request for counsel to again be appointed counsel. I know the state had opposed that request just for time. I think maybe it was the continuance, I can't recall. Court then went ahead and now appointed Mr. Ruff, an attorney appointed Mr. Shell, which would now be his third lawyer. And now his third lawyer has filed the motion, same motion that the other two lawyers have filed to withdraw.
So the court had gone out of its way to appoint him the third lawyer. The judge then goes through some history with Direct D's current attorney, and on 1,000+ cases he states that the attorney.
And what I can tell you for certain is that he's never filed a motion to withdraw ever. Ever, not once.
The judge then goes on to explain that Direct D's current attorney goes out of his way to help clients.
So I don't know what to do at this point, Mr. Ruff. I don't know if you want to represent yourself, but I don't feel inclined. You're entitled to counsel. You're entitled to court-appointed counsel when you can't afford that. I made that determination. I didn't bring you in. I didn't question you about your finances. You had sent something in, and I said, you know what, I want to make sure this person has counsel.
That probably explains why the court appointed him an attorney, because I'm certain he doesn't pass any indigent tests.
And so just based upon that financial statement you sent in, we went ahead and appointed you counsel again.
I wonder if Direct D perjured himself on that financial declaration.
And I always believe the defendant's entitled to that, but there's also a point where a defendant crosses that line and they're no longer entitled to it, especially when the conflicts continue to arise for the same reason. It's not one lawyer, it's not two lawyers, it's three lawyers. And they've all had the same issue, and I don't need to even go into the factual dispute, whatever that may be, but I'm not really inclined to give you another lawyer, Mr. Ruff.
On what grounds?
On the grounds that this is yet another lawyer, because you keep...
What legal grounds?
But, Mr. Ruff, that you're entitled to counsel, but
right,
you keep
Sixth Amendment.
Well, there you have it. However, I do think Direct D misunderstands the Sixth Amendment.
Issues with counsel to where they're forced to file motions.
That's not my problem.
Well, it is your problem.
It's not.
They're forced to file motions to withdraw, Mr. Ruff.
Take special note of what Direct D says now.
I mean, these lawyers don't like being posted online. At the end of the day, I'm press. I own a media company, and I post my interactions in court and with the police online. Everything that happens goes online.
And by doing that, Direct D, you have to accept the consequences. We'll jump forward to where he mentions the Sixth Amendment again.
It's not my problem. The Sixth Amendment guarantees me right to counsel when I don't know what's going on in court.
Mr. Ruff,
I don't know what's going on.
You are entitled to it, but you can burn that bridge.
How? Legally, tell me how I can burn the bridge.
I can tell you, if you become so difficult to where counsel can't work with you, then yes, sir, you are sir, you are afforded counsel. But if counsel continually files motions to withdraw because of your conduct or the ethical problems that you create for them,
you're not citing anything legal.
Okay, well, Mr. Ruff,
Sixth Amendment overrides what
I'm
you're
going to ask
talking
you to
about.
be quiet.
And this is how you put a bully in their place.
Because I'm no longer going to listen to you. You're in my courtroom now, and you're going to listen. Do you understand me? Because I will take you into custody today. I'm done with your antics, sir. I've had enough.
Well done, Judge. Let's now hear the reason why the third attorney no longer wants to act.
Mr. Shell, do you believe that the relationship is to a point where you can't continue?
Without a doubt. I'm done with him.
All right.
Forever.
I'm done with him forever.
Tell me, Mr. Shell, why you believe you can't continue representing Mr. Ruff.
Ultimately, because he doxed me.
Now that's a good tactic, Direct D.
Last week, he put my cell phone number on the internet and made a bunch of statements about me that weren't true. My phone blew up for days. I had to put it on airplane mode for 4 straight days because his followers kept texting me, calling me, leaving me threatening messages,
All right.
all based upon lies he posted about me.
You know,
Those are the tactics of a bully, Direct D.
Mr. Ruff, I'm withdrawing Mr. Shell. You're now on your own.
Well done, Direct D. And if you'd listen carefully now, Direct D, you will hear that he doesn't deny you the right to counsel. You can go and appoint your own counsel to represent you. Hence, there is no breach of the Sixth Amendment in the judge's ruling. And if you disagree, you can go and appeal it and make case law. Good luck with that.
My ruling. Go retain counsel, sir. That's up to you. That's my ruling.
Okay.
Have a good day, Mr. Ruff.
You have a good day.
I obviously didn't play the whole of Direct D's tape, and you can go to his channel to watch the whole thing. However, I think I have made a fair summary. Direct D loses just like Chile. Thanks for watching.